Hey, it's Chris Martin, the Hemp Chef with Convicted Creations, and I'm back to talk about prison food again. I knew you couldn't wait for me. We had to do a season 2, so I brought some more of my friends back to explain what we do. To get it started, I thought I'd show one of the popular favorites from prison that we call the brick. We use top ramen for everything in prison. This is probably one of the best fillers or the worst fillers, depending on where you come from or what you think about top ramen. We add Cheetos to it. So this is a popular favorite that you can not only do in prison, but at home when your kids won't shut up and are stuck in the house because of COVID. So all we do is we start off just by breaking it open, just like that. Try not to make a huge mess. We break it down to powder, smash it into little pieces. Because we don't have utensils in prison other than our spork, or we don't have a pot and a pan or anything like that, then we end up heating water with our stinger. All I do, I take your top ramen, break it up nice and small, just like that. This packet I tend to leave out. I don't like it. It's all salt and gross and nastiness, but you gotta have flavor in there. Most people love their flavor. So we're just gonna add a little bit. We do the same thing with the Cheetos. We just break the Cheetos into a powder, make a dust out of it, boom. This is fun because you can tell when there's a shindig going down in prison, because this is all you hear through the yard in the building all day is everyone breaking up stuff. You get woke up at 6 in the morning by people breaking up all their noodles. It's funny. So you just take all your ingredients, put them all in this bag. We don't waste anything in prison. So now we've got all our ingredients broke up. Gonna mix them all together, make sure they're broke up really well, or it's gonna come out kind of stiff and solid. Now we have our stinger. This is what we use to heat our water with. Just a little heating element. Then you can take the hot water, add it to your recipe. Just let it get nice and incorporated in there. See how it's already starting to set up? Then we like to take it and put it in a towel. I always wrap mine in a towel. Here's our finished product. Take this, wrap it in your towel. This is gonna let that pasta set up. Stick it to the side, let it sit. Magic of TV. We've got a finished product for you. Bam. The brick. Now this is served hot, cold, however you like it. I've seen cheese taken out of the yard, melted on it in the microwave. So I guess now I have to try this thing. That's the bad part of this deal. That's why I have Crohn's. But when you're starving, Doritos, Cheetos, top ramen are probably the best thing to eat in prison. If you'd like to catch this recipe or more, make sure you get our book at Hempfulfarms.com or check us out on YouTube at Convicted Creations. And remember one thing, haters make me famous.